Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Road to Success with Atif. In this video, I'll explain learning a new skill is better than waiting for luck. Everyone wants to be successful in their life. Some people learn new skill to be successful and some people are waiting for the better opportunities and they assume that something will happen and they can be successful in their life. But the person who learn a new skill and they can get better opportunities instead of the person who are waiting for the luck and think that something will change their life and they become successful. Learning a valuable skill can is better option, better decision for a person, and you can grab better advantage in your life and you become successful if you learn new skills and if you can build your if you want to be successful and build your future. A skill can give you something that you can use again and again. For example, if you are learned sales, communication, graphic designing, marketing, video editing, or any other skill like in today's AI automation, if you have that skill, you can use it again and again. You are not sit to wait for the better opportunity. You make yourself when the opportunity come you can grab it and you can get advantage of it. So learning new skills can provide you better opportunity and you can grab that advantage, you can grab that opportunity when it comes. You prepare yourself for that opportunity. Learning a new skill can give you the confidence. In the beginning you think that you are not good enough, but after a lot of mistakes, after a lot of practice, you become a master of that skill and you become not fear, you become more confidence and more motivated when you get that skill. So any interview in any place you go with full confidence because you are a video editor, you have the knowledge of how to make video, how to edit video. If you are sales, you know how to sell, and if you are a communicator, you know how to communicate with the people. So the skill gives you the better advantage and leads you to success. Another important thing of learning a new skill is that you have more choices. If you have a lot of skills like you are good in communications and sales, you can apply in different industry, you can work in different industry, and because you know how to sell anything to anyone and you know how to communicate with the people. And if you have a good in video editor, you can edit videos for other people and you can also make your own videos. If you are good in graphic designing, you can work as a freelancer or any platform and you can earn a handsome amount of money. The skills provide you the choices, the skill provides you the ways that you can work on any place. If you are good in computer, you can work as a freelancer and on Upwork, on different online platforms. On the other hand, sometimes luck gives you the better opportunity, but skill that helps you to keep that opportunity. A person who have skill sometimes may take a lot of time to get the opportunity, but a person who don't have the skill and get the opportunity, when the real begins, he faces a lot of struggle of it. But a person who have skill can are comfortable with their work. The work is easy going for him because he have that skill. He work for it. He spend time to learn skill. So when the right times comes, a person who don't have a skill face lots of difficulties, and sometimes maybe the opportunity will get away from him. But a person who have skill may get the opportunity after a long time, but the skill helps him to maintain their opportunity and he becomes successful in his field. That's why we focus on skill instead of waiting for the better opportunity and waiting for luck. A person who have the skill can get advantage when the opportunity will come, but a person who don't have a skill waiting for the luck can miss that opportunity, miss that advantage. So don't worry if you make mistakes. Every expert was the beginner once he started. So when you learning a new skill, you may make a lot of mistakes. You can learn from your mistake, you can practice again and again. Start from one skill and do it consistently and learn that with full courage, with full motivation, and with full discipline. And one day, this skill will help you to build your future, to make you successful in your life. So don't worry about the mistakes. Make mistakes, practice every day, and learn little by little. So the success is not about luck. Success is come when someone prepare itself for the better opportunity. When the better opportunity will come, a person who has skill can grab that opportunity and become successful in his life. So instead of waiting for luck, get some skill today and started it, and become expert in it. Make mistakes, learn from it, practice it, and you become unstoppable in your life. In this video, I'll explain about how the skill is important, and instead of waiting for the luck, a skill give you the better advantage. And in the beginning, you may be frustrated, you may be lose your discipline, you are not consistent, but after practice, after learning from your mistake, you become unstoppable. So instead of waiting for luck, learn new skills and started it today. Waiting for the right time will never come. So in this video, I hope that you learn a lot about why skills are important in life, why every industry needs a skillful person, why skill is important. Instead of waiting for luck, you can learn new skill. You may make mistakes, you learn from your mistakes, you practice it again. If you want to be a good communicator, you communicate in that language. The more you work on your skill, the more you get advantage in future. So in my opinion, learning a new skill is better than waiting for the luck. So I hope in this video you learn why skill is important in life instead of luck. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.